Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. I'm participating in a $10 Fall Thrift Challenge 2020 that's being hosted by DIVA, Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Thanks so much, Kim, for hosting this challenge. I'm so excited. Don't forget to go down into the description box and check out the playlist of everyone who's participating in this challenge. This little gadget here, or it's called a tool chatty or tool caddy. Yeah, it's called a tool caddy, I think. I'm calling it a tool caddy. I purchased it from Goodwill for $4. And it's so cruddy, I don't even want to touch it with my bare hands, I gotta tell you. So I am going to clean it up and see if I can turn it into something useful. So I took it into the garage and I cut off the fabric that was on it, and as I said, this stuff was pretty much just falling apart. It was so disgusting, but anyway, I was able to clean it up a little bit, and I'm quite satisfied with it. As you can see, I'm using some bleach to really get into it. As I mentioned, I paid $4 for this little thrifted piece from Goodwill, and I'm going to see if it will stand up to the challenge for Kim's $10 Fall Thrift Challenge. So I'm giving it a nice scrub down. And you really should, if you're going to keep any of your thrifted pieces, you need to clean them up. After I finished cleaning it up, I decided to move two of the dowels that were on each side. I cut those off and I put them on the bottom. I just glued them, used some regular glue and some A6000 to attach them to the dowel that was on the bottom. So kind of layering it. And I'm going to be using some Waverly chalk paint to give it a nice fresh appearance. So this little makeover is really needed for this tool caddy. I'm calling it a tool caddy because I don't know what else to call it. As I said, I thought it was it looked to me, it was so dirty, it looked like something that the cat slept in, but I'm going to call it a tool caddy for simplicity's sake. So this is going to be my fall tool caddy makeover. I'm using Waverly chalk paint, and I love this Waverly chalk paint, guys. Don't sleep on Waverly. Check out my other videos where I did a comparison of Waverly with some other chalk paints. I absolutely love Waverly now. I am definitely a believer. So I'm going to see if I can pretty this up a little bit more, and I think I'm going to rough it up a little bit on the sides. Here you go, guys. I roughed it up a little bit with some sandpaper, scrubbed it up a little bit, and on the side so you can see more of the detail. For $4, not bad, right? Thanks, Kimberly, for hosting this challenge. Again, guys, don't forget to go down to the description box and check out the playlist of this $10 Fall Thrift Challenge 2020. This was absolutely so on time. Thanks again, Kimberly, for hosting. Give this video a thumbs up, guys, if you like this. And if you like thrifting in general, thumbs up this video because I do thrifting all the time. And I love to do makeovers with chalk paint. Check out some of my upcoming videos where I'll be doing a few more makeovers with chalk paint. Or go back and check some of my previous videos. I'll link a few for your reference. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.